It's a cold one tonight. A lot of you people don't understand the open garage, and I suppose we'll let the mystery continue, but you can definitely see we got a lot of snow. Woo! Scary. I'm wearing the Hitman gloves. No fingerprints left behind. All right, we're out. So that's like floored tractor troll barking at me a little bit, but it does a good job of just feeding throttle just enough. There's a tiny, tiny bit of slip angle in the rear. End well. Safe place to park. See if we can get into Eddie's driveway. That boy loves to be on camera.
Since I'm on camera, I have to look like a total, complete moron. Oh.
It's a I just did Kendrick. It's a shit show.
It's a shite of a road. So where are we going? I didn't really know.
We're going to Cambridge. We're going to David's.
Okay. Don't give us a real answer.
I'm pretty impressed with traction control, like on, just full on. It doesn't, like, it cuts me off, but it's not like...
It's not enough to shut the car down.
Yeah, like...
I didn't feel it. Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah.
Daddy wasn't there.
What are you talking?
We were talking about Austin Powers.
Oh, I was watching the first one. I know. That's a great spot, right?
I know what you're thinking.
All right, let's do MDM.
All right. So
I'm going to take a right here.
Yeah.
This
Wait
car.
till this car goes. Go slow.
Yeah, we'll take it
Go
easy.
slow. Wait till this person goes. Oh, they live here, so even better. Let them know who fucking owns this place. That's
Drive.
good.
I didn't give it any beans.
It's good traction, though. I mean, it's not great. As that YouTube video shows, you don't want to go in this car after 4 inches.
Took me a few tries to get out of my garage.
I couldn't get the Civic. The Cadillac to move. So
No. Should we go right?
left.
I mean left. That's what I meant. I literally pointed left and said
you better
right.
keep that. That's not being edited out.
Oh God.
You own that one, buddy.
David's dyslexia is rubbing off on me.
Toi? That was what backwards? Tall? I hate the blinkers in BMWs. Let me tell you what grinds my ears.
You're just saying that because we're on camera. Big plow.
No, it really does. No, it really, like, it's the way it does the ticking.
Ricky Ticky Tabby.
No, it's just like it's too perfect.
Uh,
I was like, ting, 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 ting. Look at you in your driving gloves. You look like Spider-Man in those things.
I call these my Hitman gloves.
Why do you call your Hitman?
Because they're like just these black leather gloves. That's not bad. Full traction control.
No, I didn't. I never feel unsafe. That's not something to be proud about, but as they say, no guts, no glory.
Look at the snowbanks on this. This is crazy. Like, people haven't dug their cars out yet.
They got out somehow.
Oh, look, again. People
here
just
we go.
stop in the road.
Well, to be fair, they can't go anywhere else.
I know.
Whatever. They're in a Nissan Versa. Their life's already miserable enough.
Thank you.
Oh my god.
Oh, somebody
Oh my God.
somebody done fucked up.
Oh my lord. I don't even know how that happened. I mean, that's new to me. That's a new one.
Straight in.
Kudos. I mean, what happened? They just like stare at the ground for like 4 minutes? Or I don't understand. Because like that took some speed. He must have had to hit that at like 20 at least.
Yeah. Didn't have that BMW MDM mode. No, I think he probably was braking and had to make a decision to either hit the car in front of him or turn into the snowbank, and he went snowbank. Probably a good decision.
He also had a fart cannon on that thing, I think.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god is right. I wonder what happened.
They're running.
I know.
Is anyone coming from over there? Fuck, there's another truck over there. We gotta get out of the way.
What happened?
I don't know.
See a fire?
There's another truck coming up behind me.
Yeah.
I gotta get up. Another truck here.
What do you think happened? That's
No idea. Just gotta get out of the way. Well, there's Cambridge.
Welcome to Boston. I didn't see anything. But
No. But they had the feet down on the truck and everything ready to go.
They,
All right.
It looked like they were gonna lift the boom up.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Ah, boss! Little dancey dance. I wonder if I can get it to go in a little pirouette.
I think you can. Yeah.
It's
You're good,
so
you're
tight
good,
and it's
you're good.
slippery. It's all ice. Get it back around the other side. It's so icy.